Together with our sister agency at the Department of Community Affairs, we're seeing the culmination of our work to collect and safely destroy PFAS-containing firefighting foam. Hundreds of fire departments across the state of New Jersey are bringing their AFFF here to Hunterdon County. And there's also a second collection site in Cumberland County. We're collecting nearly 150,000 gallons of this firefighting foam all together in this collection program. It's one of the largest coordinated firefighting foam collection efforts of its kind in America. So overall, why is PFAS a problem? These per and polyfluoroalkylated substances are synthetic chemicals and they're linked to cancer, immune system impacts, and long-term environmental contamination. They don't readily break down, hence they're called forever chemicals, and they can persist in our water, in our soil, and in the human body.
The use of Class B firefighting foam was found to be a major source of PFAS contamination to natural substances and drinking water resources in New Jersey. To better protect the health and environment for New Jersey residents, I co-primed and sponsored bills that had to do with this issue. One of the bills prohibited most uses of Class B firefighting foam in New Jersey.
This is removing these chemicals, not just from the fire service so that we are not exposing our firefighters unnecessarily to chemicals, because there are other alternatives out there that do not contain these cancer-causing agents in order to put fires out. It's also just a way of recommitting to Governor Sherrill's mission of driving costs down. It is going to be much more costly if we do not do these things at the outset, whether that is through healthcare costs, whether that is through remediation costs in the environment later on, whatever that might look like. So nipping this in the bud as early as possible is certainly something that we want to do.
We now know these forever chemicals, these carcinogens, are present in firefighters at a higher rate than the general public. Today, cancer is the leading cause of line-of-duty deaths in the fire service. Approximately 70% of all active duty deaths are related to cancer. Over the last few years, we have taken action to ensure that the tools we provide our first responders to accomplish this mission are not also making them sick. By phasing out this foam and transitioning to fluorine-free foam, we're removing these carcinogens from our departments and lessening another danger.
Firefighters and their families have shown enthusiasm and relief for the state's initiatives to collect and destroy these AFFF firefighting foams. They know that they've been personally impacted, they have friends and loved ones who've been impacted, and they also know the negative impacts to the environment. I applaud the state of New Jersey. By committing to removing these legacy AFFF from service, the state is protecting the firefighters who protect all of us.